Hello, dear students of class 11. Very pleasant good morning to you all. Hope all of you are keeping fine and doing well. Dear students, today I am here with our total English unit number 5, pages 84, 85, and that is the homework answers. I am going to dictate the homework that I had given yesterday, and I'm going to give the answer to you. And of course, let me thank you and appreciate you for doing your homework and forwarding it to me. At least 10, 12 students have done it beautifully, but slight mistakes are there. Nothing to worry about that one, as you are in the process of learning. But all the students are requested to complete the homework and forward to me and make note of the corrections that is given here in the class. Dear students, on page number 84 you will find the big homework there. Total number 10 are there. There I am not going to write the answers, but answer number B and C I have written on the blackboard on my right and left side. It is written there, but I will be dictating the answers of the first question also. After completing this exercise, we will be moving to the next unit, that is active and passive voice. On page number 84, the mayor is opening the new school tomorrow. The answer is the new school will be opened by the mayor tomorrow. The new school will be opened by the mayor tomorrow. Second one, he doesn't mind if Ravi records his speech. He has no objection in Ravi recording his speech. I repeat, he has no objection in Ravi recording his speech. Moving to the third one, it annoys me how often people use cell phones on the road. The answer is, I wish people did not use cell phones on the road. I repeat the answer, I wish people did not use cell phones on the road. Fourth one, in spite of the cold weather, the old man went for his usual long walk. Although the weather was cold, the old man went for his usual long walk. I repeat, although the weather was cold, the old man went for his usual long walk. Number 5, you better not cheat, otherwise you will be blacklisted. If you cheat, you will be blacklisted. The answer is, if you cheat, you will be blacklisted. Sixth one, I did not see a single tourist for a whole month. Not a single tourist was seen by me for a excuse me. I repeat, not a single tourist was seen by me for a whole week. For month it is. Not a single tourist was seen by me for a whole week. Seventh one, the man realized his friend was watching him. The man realized that he was being watched by his friend. The man realized that he was being watched by his friend. 8. Cookery fascinates Lucy and she spends hours reading about it. The answer is, Lucy is fascinated by cookery and she reads hours, and she spends hours reading about it. I repeat, Lucy is fascinated by cookery and she spends hours reading about it. Ninth one, he is an innocent worker, but I don't think he should get the job. Despite of being an innocent worker, I don't think he should get the job. I repeat, despite of being an innocent worker, I don't think he shall get the job. The student said, "Good heavens, what are we to do now that the electricity has failed?" The answer is, the student exclaimed in wonder that what were they to do then that the electricity has failed. I repeat, the student exclaimed in wonder that what were they to do then that the electricity has failed. Yes, dear students, there can be slight difference in the answer that you have given. There is no problem, or you may find a slight difference in my answer that I have given than yours. But if there is a little bit change, try to understand it and make note of it. The answer you may have written in another way is correct, but don't think that that is wrong. No, there can be, because you are asked to make the second be almost as is equal to A, that is the given sentence. But of course you are not allowed to, or you cannot change the meaning of the sentence. Yes, dear students, here I take your attention to exercise number B of question number 3. That is, here I have already written the answers here. Please make note of it, and I am going to dictate the answer for you. The prince was turned into a frog by the witch. Into. Second, my application was turned down by the principal, or turned away. Option is there. You can see turned down or away. This option also is there. You can use any one, but better is turned down. Yes. Third one, keep up the prestige of your family. Up. It is here. See, keep up the prestige of your family. Fourth one, kindly keep off from the mercenary people. Off, or double F. Mercenary people. Yes, cunning, tricky people. Fifth one, the president deals fairly with everyone. Fifth one, with everyone. Sixth one, this shop deals on imported goods. On imported goods. Seventh one, are they still debating over the question? Seventh one, over the question. Eighth one, I do not intend to debate with you. Again, eighth one is with you. Then, ninth one, if we were really short of money, I am sure my parents would help us out. Out or with. Help us out or with. And the 10th one, can I help you with some more dessert? With. 10th one, with. So please check your answer and correct accordingly. Yes, dear students, now we have the exercise number 3. Exercise number 3, page number 85, question number 3C. I have already written the answers here. First one is recognized. Recognize. Bananas are recognized as the most important fruit crop, providing. Answer is written here, providing food, nutrition and income for millions in both rural and urban areas across the globe. In Britain, for example, more than 5 billion bananas are purchased each year, and the United Kingdom accounts, that is accounts here, where is that? Accounts, third one, accounts for 7% of the global export market. Bananas thrive in warmer climates, and India is the world's largest producer and consumer of the fruit crop. When the plant itself is warm, fourth answer is warm. Fourth answer is here, warm. Does it help or hamper production? A new study has found that climate change has benefited bananas over the last several decades, but predicted, but predicted, that the sixth answer is predicted that the trend will reverse. Seventh answer is will reverse with climate change eventually causing a negative impact. A recent study has found that 27 countries have accounted for 86% of world's desert banana production, have an average seen increased crop yield since 1961 by 1.37 tons hectare every year due to the changing ninth answer is changing climate resulting in more favorable growing condition. If you write here growth condition also, it is all right, growth condition or growing condition. All right, these are the answers, dear students. Thus I will not be sending you the PDF. Answer of this one. I have already dictated and watch the video, and please listen the class and make the corrections. All right. Now I would like to take your attention to our next unit, that is unit number 6 on page number 90. All the students, those who have notes, done the homework, you are requested to complete the work and send. It is pages, yes, 90, 91. 90 and 91. Our topic is active and passive. Here unit number 6, active, passive voice. Active, passive voice, and that is A, active and passive voice. Here we are going to see use of passive voice, form of the passive. Use of, what is that? Yes, passive voice. Then the second topic we are going to form of the passive. Then on next page, conversion from active to passive. Conversion from active voice to passive. Conversion passive. Yes, dear students, now please pay attention. This is what we are going to do in this particular part of the class. Our total English, unit number 6, pages 90 and 91. That is active and passive voice. Then we are going to learn what are the uses of this passive voice, what are the forms of passive voice, and conversion from active to passive voice. Please pay attention. Excuse me, some throat trouble is there. What to do? The voice of the verb indicates whether its subject is the doer of or the sufferer of the action. The voice means passive voice or active voice tells you whether the subject of the person. The verb indicates whether its subject is the doer of the action or sufferer of the action. Doer, subject. Who is the doer? Whether the subject is the doer or the sufferer of the action. For example, John cooked the food last night. The food was cooked by John last night. Now one is in past active, another one is in passive. Both the sentences express the same meaning, but in sentence the subject is John, is the doer of the action. So the verb cooked is said to be in the active voice. Yes, John cooked the food last night. So from that sentence we can understand what is the subject. Who is the subject? John. Yes. A verb in the active voice when its form shows that the person or thing denoted by the subject does something. In other words, the subject is the doer of the action. Subject is the doer of the action. In sentence 2, the subject, the food, is the sufferer or receiver of the action. So the verb was cooked is said to be in the passive voice. A verb is in the passive voice when its form shows that something is done to the person or thing denoted by the subject. Active voice is more commonly used as compared to passive voice because it is direct and forceful. Now use of passive voice, please check on page number 90. What are the situations or the uses of this one? To eliminate the mention of the agent. To eliminate, remove. Sometimes we can use without mentioning the subject. For example, the ship was wrecked. Ravi was found stealing. Ravi was found stealing by whom? That is not mentioned. By police or by teacher or by parents like that. That is not there. So eliminate the agent. The ship was wrecked by the storm or by thunder like that. But that agent part is removed. The passive voice is used to eliminate the agent. Second one, to give emphasis on the recipient of the action. To give more importance to the recipient of the action. Look at the example. English is spoken all over the world. I have been invited to the party. Yes, to emphasize. To make an impersonal statement. It is hoped that the share prices will fall. To make an impersonal, this one. Now form of the passive voice. Passive can be formed in the following ways. What are the ways in which we have to form the passive voice? A tense of to be plus past participle. Tense of to be plus past participle, that is form of passive voice. Let us see. He cooks, has cooked, will cook the food. He was cooking the food. That is to be plus past participle. Yes, was. Base form also be form verb, you know that. Yes, the food has been, will be plus cooked by him. The food was being plus cooked by him. Then modal verbs. Be, have been plus past participle. Active voice. He may have cooked the food. Passive. The food may have been, the food may have been, maybe or may have been cooked by him. Then infinitive. What is the infinitive form of the verb? Yes, to be, to have been plus past participle. Yes, he is or was to cook the food. He was to cook the food, or the food is to be, was to have been plus cooked by food. Ing form, being, having been plus past participle. Cooking, having cooked, being, having plus been plus cooked. One or two times just read, then you will understand. I will be showing you the module of this past active and past passive voice in our next class through the module. Conversion from active to passive voice models are given there. So let us check this one. If the transitive verb has two objects, now transitive verb, intransitive verb, all those things you have to remember. If a transitive verb has two objects, any of the two objects may become the subject in the passive. Mary taught Ravi French. Ravi was taught French by Mary. French was taught to Ravi by Mary in one of the form. Second one, when a prepositional verb is changed from active to passive voice, the preposition should not be dropped. Let us see. They laughed at the joker. The joker was laughed at by them. Look at the rule once again. When a prepositional verb is changed from active to passive, the preposition should not be dropped. Yes, by that agent at. That should not be changed. Then third one, to change auxiliary verbs, helping verbs from active to passive voice, add be along with the past participle of the verb. That is, Ramesh can do the work. The work can be done by Ramesh. Fourth one, to change imperative sentences from active to passive voice. What is imperative type of sentence? Request, command, all those things. Yes. Let be is used if the sentence is to remain imperative, otherwise should be used. Open the door. Let the door be opened. The door should be opened. So what you are supposed to do here? Let be used if the sentence is to remain imperative, commanding sentence. Otherwise should be used. The door should be opened. Fifth rule is that if intransitive verb and intransitive verbs are used, the change of the imperative sentences into passive voice is carried out in the following manner. Active. Sit down. You are ordered to sit down. Yes. Sometimes a transitive verb is not changed to passive form but gives the passive sense. Sugar tastes sweet. Sugar is sweet when it is tasted. These grapes taste sour. That is, these grapes are sour when they are tasted. Of course, that is the way, isn't it? Otherwise, you don't feel that. Only it happens when you taste this one. Yes. Then continuous form, like most continuous forms, the passive continuous is concerned with the continuity rather than the complete state of the action. The laborers are cutting the firewood. The firewood is being cut by the laborers. The farmers are plowing the fields. The fields are being plowed by the farmers. Being plowed. That is continuous. Impersonal use. It is the passive voice offers the useful way of expressing something impersonally. It is hoped that. For that you have done. People hope that. People say that. People believe that. It is believed that, and so on. This form of passive voice is often found in reports. Report making reports. Report writing. It is hoped that survivors will be found. It is said that the price of essential commodities will come down. Never it happens. That is a dream for us. Unfulfilled dream. Never the price of commodities will come down. Every day it will go up. The impersonal use of often offers an alternative to the less formal second person use. You usually find that the use can also replace the third person one form. That is, one usually finds that becomes. It is usually found that. Then the examples, some examples are there. Then we will go to the assignment. With that we will complete. Example, let us see. They had to borrow a bicycle from the cottage. Active. The bicycle had to be borrowed from the cottage. Then it disappoints me that the committee has dropped an unrealistic policy. Active. I am disappointed that an unrealistic policy has been adopted by the committee. Passive. Give the command. Active. Let the command be given. The police were taking him to the cell. Active. He was being taken to the cell by the police. We respectfully notify customers that they may not bring dogs into the restaurant. Active. The customers are respectfully notified that respectfully notified that dogs may not be brought into the restaurant. Thus, that is the example. Now we have got your homework, that is on page number 93. Yes, dear students, we have learned from page number 93. It is not 91, 93. Your homework is here on page number work page, that is 93. That is assignment. That is assignment. This is the only homework that you have got here. In each of the following items, sentence A is complete but sentence B is not. Complete sentence B, making it as similar in meaning to sentence A. Write down sentence B complete in each case. So 15 sentences are given here. Thus please do complete this one. Thus, dear students, we are going to wind up the class of the day. What all things we learned today? From the beginning, unit number 5, page number that was 84-85 homework answers were dictated, given that you will complete. Then we moved to unit number 6, pages 90 to 93, that is active and passive voice. Then use of passive voice, form of passive voice, then conversion from active to passive voice. Then finally we have reached our homework on page number 93. Thus, dear students, sit at home, do complete. Daily you need to complete your work. Please don't keep it for later period. Some students have not yet sent the homework, or they are not asking any clarifications, doubt. Only 10 to 12 students of all the total batch of 75 students you are sending. So please do the homework and forward. So tomorrow you will be seeing some more rules and regulations related to active and passive voice through our module in the next class. Until then, you take care. Bye bye. Thank you very much.